David Nicholas with me today. All right, Trump says the US and India have reached a trade deal. It'll lower tariffs on Indian goods from 25 to 18%. How big a deal is this for the US energy sector?
Yeah, Stuart, this is massive for the U.S. energy sector. About 30% of India's oil comes from Russia. It's about 1 billion barrels a day, 1 to 2 billion barrels a day. If that switches to the U.S., that's $24 billion in revenue for 1 billion barrels. That's $48 billion in revenue for 2 billion. Our trade deficit with India is about $45 billion. So just purchasing oil from the U.S. wipes out that trade deal, that trade deficit. So it's massive, Stuart. And look, what's happened to the energy sector? We haven't had a refinery built in this country in 50 years. I think this is the type of deal. This is the doctrine that starts to unleash that. I think you start to see refineries built again because if more nations start buying oil from the U.S., Stuart, this is huge for this sector.
So you just buy the energy sector, an ETF in the energy sector, or you buy individual oil companies or gas drillers. How do you play this?
Well, it's hard to know just from the deal which direct exporter will benefit. So I like XLE. XLE is the ETF. It owns all of the big names like Chevron, Marathon, all the big energy companies. I think could be a player here, and we'll win in this deal.
Okay, let's talk Bitcoin for a moment. It's still below $80,000 a share. I've got a quote now at 78.2. Has Bitcoin hit bottom?
I think this is it. I think we're well below the 50-day. We're below the 100-day. We need Bitcoin to get back up above 80,000. If we can trade back up above 80,000 here, I would say either today or tomorrow, Stuart, that looks promising. We get up to the 50-day, which is trading around 84,000. The 200 days is well below that. But we need some support. I think we're close to the bottom. We've been buying. We've been long Bitcoin here as the drops have continued. We've been putting money to work. So we're telling our investors, keep buying because I think we're close to the bottom here.
You're no thoughts of selling?
No, not yet. Look, we've seen these pullbacks. We've seen 80% pullbacks in a bear market. We've seen 40% pullbacks in a bull market. This is about 40%, Stuart. And I still think the bull market is intact, so we're not selling.
Got it. David Nicholas, thanks very much for being here. We'll see you again soon.